Hi guys, so we're seeing this nightstand with connections for event purposes. And I think it's really nice because it can help you to have connections in your nightstand up without having to reach down all the way. So let's go ahead and see how everything comes. It comes very well protected with lots of foam, which is really nice. Okay, as you can see, have foam here. Comes with everything you need to install it, all the instruction manual and all the parts. Okay, so I'm gonna place this one's here, this one's here, here. So come on, let's start and assemble it. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's ready. It looks really nice. I like the material quality. It's great. I like that it comes with a USB-A port in here that you can use. I've got my cable in here to test it with my Apple Watch, see if it works. And as you can see, it starts charging. And you have two other regular socket connections, so you can, as you can see, use it like this. Okay, so it's really nice. I like a lot the design, the black finish that it has, and I will really recommend it. See ya guys.